Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all of my dear audience? I hope that you all are feeling fine. This is Mohibullah Khan. Welcome back once again. Today's video very special for me because of today I am going to record a video about self-introduction, and this is my second video of my English learning journey series. Actually, I thought that if I want to learn English, I want to go through a guideline. Basically, I make so many videos about English speaking and to develop self-confidence. So I see that this is not actually effective and this video does not work properly. That's why I decided that if I go through a strong guideline, I can improve easily or it will be a effective journey of my life. That's why I decided, and also I create a playlist on my YouTube channel. I named in this playlist my English journey, my English learning journey. And in this playlist, I would like to upload my daily progress, my daily activity. And this is my second day. I record a video the previous day. It was randomly just some speaking about English. I did not choose any topic. And today I just talk about one topic, that is self-introduction. And right now I am standing on my coaching center. I'm standing in my coaching center. You might be see that you maybe see that the behind me there is a whiteboard. Especially I use this whiteboard for teaching my students. When I solve their math, I use this I use this board. But I try to improve my English, and I am very fascinated and I enjoy to speak in English. And I know that this is all students' dream to learn English or speak in English. Also, it's my dream. I want to improve my English. That's why I took the decision, and I want to see my progress, how much I improve, and how much I progress make in my life. That's why I'm making video. I know one thing, that is learning English or speaking English is all about practice. It's not like that you're writing something, you are a very good student, you can understand, you can memorize thousands of vocabulary or sentence rules. It doesn't matter about speaking. When you stand up in front of people or audience or your students, your brain will be blank. Actually, you memorize so many things, but when you stand up in front of audience, it doesn't work. The the mainly work here to practice. Now I'm practicing myself. Just open my camera, and that means I build my confidence. I'm building my confidence. I'm growing day by day. Before 1 or 2 months later, or 1 or 2 months before, I could not make one or two sentence, but recently I realized that I can make so many sentence. And you might be see that I'm speaking in front of you, and I'm trying to continue my speaking with so many sentences. Okay, so let's talk about self introduction. This is Mohibullah Khan, and I have completed my honors in sociology department. Also, I am doing masters same subject. I have some identities beside my students. I have a small shop. You know that the in Bangladesh there is no available or job sector. That's why I want to do something different. I'm students. It's okay, but beside my student or studies, I want to do something. That's why I open my shop. I will talk about my shop, but just I want to say that I have a shop. Also, I have a coaching center. Right now, I am standing in my coaching center, and here I teach my students, basically class 1 to class 5. Also, I teach class 6 to class 10. So let's begin with the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Actually, it's 7 a.m. in the morning, and then I go to washroom, and I take my brush and I apply toothpaste on it, and I go outside for walking. While I walk, I brush my teeth. After brushing, I come back and I return washroom, and I wash my face, and I freshen up myself, and then I have breakfast. After uh, having breakfast, I get ready to go to my coaching center, and I leave my home. So 8 or 8:30 a.m. in the morning, I come my coaching center, and in the morning I teach my students class 6 to class 10 math, and at the same time I teach there some English grammar too. So I enjoy teaching. It gives me so many happiness when I share with them my knowledge and my hope. I feel better, and I get motivated that I want to be a good teacher in my future. I'm not a good teacher actually recently, but I'm trying to grow up myself. But teaching, I love too much. It gives me happiness, and I love and I enjoy teaching. Okay. So after completing my teaching, I go to my shop and I open my shop at around 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and then I stay here most of the time. Actually, the whole day I spend in my shop, and I would like to short this talk because I will make a video about my daily activities later. But today I just want to give my self introductions. Okay, so after at night 10 p.m. I go to my home, and I have my dinner alone, and then I go to my bed. I actually for sleeping, and this is my whole day activity or my self introductions. So I want to highlight again that is, I'm a student. I have a shop. Actually, I want to grow up my business. Also, I have a coaching center. In this way or in this purpose, I think I'm a teacher too. Sorry, I'm not teacher. I'm not teaching you. Just I teach my students. That's why I actually told me that I'm teacher, but especially I'm not a teacher. Okay, so goodbye, take care. Or I want to mainly tell you that is, if you are a beginner or if you are in intermediate level, you know some vocabulary, you know some grammar rules, you can start like me in front of with your camera or with your friends, whatever. Just start your speak. At the beginning time, I faced so many shy and so many hesitation, nervousness, so many things I faced. And recently I try to recover all the things because I'm trying to grow a practicing.